Yeah.
Where's Street Pig?
He's right here, trying to get through the snow.
Oh, bud.
He's following Cookie.
Oh my god.
Here, hold this and hand. Oh, I guess. Can you try and hand me that shovel?
You want? Is this still recording?
Yes.
Phone's getting all wet, honey. Where'd I go? Peter found somewhere to pee. It's the tree. What, you needed JP to show you that, buddy? They're all peeing and pooping around a tree. Shane, you just gonna stay right there or what?
You guys all done?
Wanna go inside? Yeah. Come on, Shane. Wanna go inside? Shaney, wanna get a treat? We're going to treat. You want one?
For Peter.
Cookie's like, what's this in the mouth?
Peter can't find a spot.
He already peed.
I guess poop.
Look at Cookie. She's just standing there.
I'm just peeing.
No, she. Here, I can't get over this. Gracie is the only smart one.
Well, here comes Cookie, the smart one.
They don't want to play. Like, I don't care.